क्या बोलते?
Okay, so now do the next question. This is 20 kg, this is 10 kg. This is acting in downward direction, that is 100 Newton. This is 50 Newton. This is 150 Newton. Find all normal forces. All normal forces acting on the blocks do it first. N1 will be 300 Newton. For which question? This question.
For the 20 kg block, sir.
No. Do it again and don't try to do it orally. Try
Okay,
to
sir.
drop
Okay.
body. You did mistake. That is not the answer. Uh, in free, this should not be done, because if you are studying mechanics, try to draw free body diagram first. Don't go through orally. If you will do that, in out of 100 times, you will be mistake 100 times. You will do the mistake. Okay, so try to do it properly. Go. Draw free body diagram and do the analysis.
Yes, sir. But I'm doing that, sir.
Okay. Okay. So let's do it. So if you will draw the free body diagram of 10 kg object. Let me draw it properly. Hundred Newton in this direction. This is 100 Newton. This is 150 Newton. This is normal, which is N1. Let's say it is N2. Is this okay? There are two normal only acting on 10 kg. And now the 20 kg free body diagram of 20 kg. This is 200 Newton. This normal is N3, let's say. This is, let's say, N4. And this will be N2. Now this is 50 kg. 50 Newton. Is this okay? So if you will analyze this one, you will analyze this one. Left force is equal to right force, isn't it?
Yes, sir. And 1 is equal to 150 Newton.
And what will be N2? N2 will be equal to
200 Newton.
100 plus 100, that is equal to 200 Newton. Now, if we analyze this object, N4 will be equal to 50 Newton. Is this okay? N4 will be equal to 50 Newton. Now, upward force is N3 is equal to downward force. Downward force is N2 plus 200. And what is N2? N2 is 200.
200.
This is 200 plus 200, that is 400 Newton.
400.
Is this okay? So in this manner, we can find normal reaction, all normal reaction acting on the object. Now,
Sir,
yeah, tell me.
sir, instead of N3, I took it as N4, sir, and I got 400 Newton.
Yeah, that is okay. Name can, you are taking the name of unknown, that can be different. Suppose I am finding, no, this is not a normal, this is R1, this is F1, F2, or anything. Is this okay?
Okay, sir.
You are giving some name to the unknown. That can be fine. Is this okay? Now,
Yes, sir.
what I am saying. Suppose there are 3 blocks. This will be the last question of today class. 5 kg, this is 10 kg, and this is 15 kg. I think tomorrow again we have a class, isn't it? I have to see the routine and I will tell you. And I will take one more extra class also. Tomorrow, which time you are free?
Okay, sir.
All are free?
Sir, we're free I'm free anytime, sir.
Are free anytime. Okay. Okay, let me see. Let me show the timetable and then I'm confirming you. Give me 30 seconds. Yeah, tomorrow, no issue. Tomorrow is our scheduled class. That is from 6:45 to 7:45 itself. So tomorrow is itself a class, scheduled class. So I will take extra class on Tuesday. I think so. On Tuesday or Thursday, I will take an extra class. Is this okay?
Okay, sir.
I will take an extra class because one class we missed. And on that day, there was a cyclone in Kolkata. So I could not take class because there was no electricity at that time. You are also studying chemistry now. I think Sam sir is teaching you. Mr. Sam?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. He's a very brilliant teacher. He is also my friend. and he also belong to the same city, Kolkata. We both are working together at the same place since I think 2019. Is this okay? So yeah, he's a very good faculty. Especially he's very famous for the organic chemistry. His style of teaching organic chemistry is really very good. Okay. Anyway, now this is the 5 kg, this is 10 kg, this is the 15 kg. Now suppose, no, sorry. Yeah. Here the normal force is N1. Let's say this normal force, I'm giving it. Normal force between 5 kg and 10 kg is N1. Normal force between 10 kg and 15 kg is N2. Find N1 by N2. Do it first. Now suppose if you will draw the free body diagram of 5 kg, mg 50 Newton, there is a normal force N1, isn't it? So what will be the value of N1? N1 will be equal to 50 Newton. That is coming directly only after drawing free body diagram of 5 kg. Is this okay? Now suppose if I draw free body diagram of 10 kg. 100 Newton is in downward direction. N1 is the normal force from upward direction and N2 is the normal force from downward direction as given in the question. Now, if this is in equilibrium, what will be the equation? N2 will be equal to N1. N2 will be equal to N1 plus 100, isn't it? And we find the value of N2. So, we put the value of N2 to get N2. Sorry, we will put the value of N1 in this equation. So, this should be 50 plus 100. So, N2 will be equal to 150 Newton. Is this okay? So N1 is 50 Newton and N2 is 50 Newton, 150 Newton. So it will be 50 Newton divided by 150 Newton. So if you will cancel it, you will get 1 by 3. So the ratio is 1/3. Is this okay to everyone? Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I will suggest you all to purchase, please purchase. I don't know what book you prefer or what book your school is following, your colleges are following, but I will suggest you to please purchase a book S.C. Verma. Writer is S.C. Verma. Perhaps you have heard the name of S.C. Verma. He was the professor of IIT Kanpur. He wrote a very good book of concept of physics. Concept of physics. There was two volume 1 and volume 2. Volume 1 is mainly for class 11th and volume 2 is for 12th. But I will suggest to purchase both volume. You can try it on Flipkart or Amazon. Is this okay? That book are available everywhere. Try to purchase it. Is this okay? This is very authentic book, not for studying the theory part. Theory part is itself inside your class note. Only for doing the question practice. Only for the question practice. Is this okay? For question practice, S.C. Verma book is very authentic. Even most of the students who are preparing for JEE or NEET prefers to try the questions of S.C. Verma. Is this okay? They practice S.C. Verma. They
Okay,
always
sir.
used to practice S.C. Verma. Okay. Okay. Many of the students. So this is very authentic book. Try to purchase it as soon as possible. Okay. Today up to this. Bye. Take care.